Good morning, my dear students. I will start today section C in unit test portion. Section C is there. Section B or section C. Okay. Now today I will start today section C. Okay. And here your unit test portion is there. So linear regression. Okay. Linear regression. Achha, all of you in class 11 already you have learned correlation. Okay, all of you know correlation are the value is -1 to +1, but here is regression. Okay, so regression. What is the regression? Regression is the measure of the average relationship between two or more variables. Okay, average relationship between two or more variables. Okay, in terms of the original data. Few data is given. Suppose the value of x is given and similar the value of y also given. Suppose few students of class 11, 12. Suppose mathematics marks is given. Okay. Suppose out of 20, few are getting suppose 16. Suppose 15, 20, 10. It's like that. Suppose this is the value of x, and the physics out of 20 physics marks also given, number of 10 students. So here the value of y, that is physics marks, and the value of x suppose mathematics marks. First find out their average marks, that is x bar, that is total sum of x by n number variable, and here also variable of y, mean of y. First find out mean of y, that is sum of the value of y divided by total number of students. Okay, so x bar, keep in mind x bar summation xi by n, and y bar summation yi by n. Okay, now all of you know equation of straight line in class 10 you have already learned, that is suppose x bar the straight line having gradient m and passes to the point suppose x1 y1. We know the equation y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Similar here, if the form, so y equal to f of x is given, that is irrigation equation of y on x, y equal to f of x, and the regression equation of x on y, suppose x equal to gy function. See, suppose y equal to f of x and x equal to suppose g of y. Okay, so y equal to f of x, the form is there, regression equation of y on x, and x equal to gy, that is regression equation x on y. One is y on x, other is x on y. Okay, now so regression equation of y on x, keep in mind y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. Okay, regression equation of y on x. Okay, I am writing here. See, right, regression equation of y on x, y minus y bar byx into x minus x bar, and regression equation of x on y, x minus x bar bxy into y minus y bar. Okay, keep in mind. So x on y, x minus x bar equal to bxy into y minus y bar, and regression equation of y on x, y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. So byx and bxy. What is byx? What is bxy? So right, byx equal to regression coefficient of y on x. RC, regression coefficient, keep in mind, regression coefficient of y on x, and bxy, regression coefficient of x on y. Okay, byx, regression coefficient of y on x, yx, and xy, regression coefficient of x on y. Okay, now how to find byx and bxy? Okay, say byx and bxy. I am writing here. Right, byx summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar by summation xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, and bxy summation xi minus x bar yi minus y bar by summation y minus y bar whole square. Keep in mind, byx summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar by summation xi minus x bar whole square, and bxy summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar by summation yi minus y bar whole square. Okay, down y, look at here, how to remember. Okay, keep in mind the process y down, here y minus y bar, last y minus y bar. See this y, see this x there, upper part is same. Okay, this is formula 1, F1. Now formula to write, byx equal to summation xi into yi minus summation xi into summation yi by n divided by summation xi square, summation xi square, okay, minus summation xi whole square by n, down x, here also all are x, and bxy summation xi yi minus summation xi into yi by n divided by summation yi square minus summation yi whole square by n. Okay, bxy summation xi yi minus summation xi into summation yi by n by summation yi whole square minus summation yi square by n. Okay, all be understood? Keep in mind, if you remember the formula, you can solve, otherwise not solve. More and more times you have to practice at home. Okay. Now another formula is there, F2, F1, F2. Now F3. According to formula, according to question paper, we have to apply the formula. Okay. F3. So Byx, right? Byx are sigma y, sigma x, and Bxy are sigma x, sigma y. Okay. Yx R means correlation, coefficient between x and y. So R sigma y, sigma x. See, sigma y means standard deviation of y. So right, wait, I am writing sigma y, standard deviation of y, sigma x, standard deviation of x, y, x. This you have to remember. Sigma y, standard deviation of y, sigma x, standard deviation of x. Okay. So Byx equal to R sigma y, sigma x, and Bxy R into sigma x by sigma y. Okay. Here correlation coefficient already given, standard deviation also given, and y also given. Okay. Standard deviation of y and standard deviation of x is given. Okay. Everything is given. Find Byx and Bxy. Now I am solving one problem. Okay. Suppose variables are given, variables x and variables of y also given. How to find the regression coefficient and regression equation of y on x. Look at the board. Suppose given 2, 4, 4, 6, suppose 6, 8, okay, 8, 10, 10, suppose 2, this is given, the data is given, 2, 4, 4, this is given. Find the regression equation of y on x and x on y. Okay. Now first find out x, y. We know the value xi minus x bar, y minus y bar, xi minus x bar whole square minus y bar whole square, and last is summation xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. First you have to complete the table. Okay, keep in mind. One, two, three, four, five. So no problem. See, 2, 4, right? 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, right? 10, 2. This is given. First find out. Okay? 2, 4, 8. Summation first, mean first one, mean x bar. So right, x bar 30 by 5, right, 6, and y bar this also 30 by 5, also 6. Okay. Now 2 minus 6, 4, minus 4, no, 2 minus 6, 4 minus 6, minus 2, 6 minus 6, 0, 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus 6, 4. Okay. Similarly 6, 4 minus 6, minus 2, 6 minus 6, 0, 8 minus 6 2, 10 minus 6 4, 2 minus 6 minus 4. Square is given, so 16. Here 4 0, 4 16. Here also 4 0, 4 16 16. Here 8. Here 0. Here also 0. 2 4. Listen now. Here 2 minus 6. Yes, 2 minus 6 minus 4. Take it. Okay, no problem. Here 0, 8. Here is minus 16. Okay, minus 16. Okay. Now, listen one thing. Here data is mistakes are there. Most of data is mistakes here. That's why problem arises, because here xi minus x bar, y minus y bar here 8 8 6, this is 0. Okay, so byx here summation xi minus x bar yi minus y bar equal to 0 is there. Okay, and here 20 20 40. So write summation xi minus x bar whole square 40, and here also 40 summation yi minus y bar also 40 whole square. All are add. Okay, this is 40, this also 40, this is 0. Okay, now regression equation of y on x, y minus y bar. Okay, right, y minus y bar. Here data few mistakes are there. Okay, that's why this will be 0. Okay, so now write, I am showing here, no problem in that. So similar, okay, no problem. Y minus y bar byx into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is 6 equal to, right, byx. So byx you know summation this by this is 40, so it will be 0 into x minus x bar. So x bar is there 6. So here y minus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay, to data is change. Okay, that's why mistakes are there, no problem. So this is the process. In that way you can solve the problem. Again I am solving one problem. 1 minute, wait. Suppose the value of x is given, okay, y also given. 1 minute. Suppose 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, this is given. Here 1, 3, 4, 6, suppose 5. This is given. Okay. Wait, suppose suppose 6 here, right? Here wait, data change. Suppose 6. Okay, data will change. If this will be always integer, mean will be consider here main is always you have to integer. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6, 6. Okay. See here 30. So mean x bar 30 by 5 equal to 6. Here y bar 20 by suppose 5. This is 4. Okay. Now xi minus x bar, yi minus y bar, xi minus x bar whole square, yi minus y bar whole square, and here xi minus x bar into minus y bar. Okay. So right. Here 6 minus 3 is there, minus 1 1, here 3 0, here 4 is given. So right, 4 is given, minus 3 minus 1 0 2 2 also. Now square 9 1 1 9 0, here 9 1 0 4 4, multiplied 9 1, this is 0 6 0. Okay, I'm doing like that. See now this summation 16 here 18 20. Okay, see now byx, first find byx. Okay, so right, byx summation xi minus x bar minus y bar divided by summation xi minus x bar whole square. So this is 16 by xi 20, that is here right 0.8. Okay, so right 4 by 5. Okay, and bxy right. Similarly 16 by here 18, 8 by 9. Okay, here x bar 6 and this is 4. Right, regression equation of y on x. Okay, so y minus y bar byx into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar value is 4, put the value 4, byx will get 4 by 5 into x minus x bar 6. So right 5y minus 20, 4x minus 24. So 5y minus 4x equal to minus 4. This is the equation. Okay. Now similar way find the value of, that is regression equation of x on y. So x minus x bar 6, so it will be x minus 6 equal to right bxy 8 by 9 into y minus y bar. Just put the value only. Okay, and you will get the two equation. First one is y on x and second one is x on y. Okay, now all of you remember the formula Okay, otherwise you can't proceed. Okay, if formula is mistakes about simple calculation, okay, this calculation whatever I discuss here, no, simple mistakes, keep in mind, addition or subtraction or here square, okay, so if any mistake, simple mistakes, you will lose the mark. Understood? Okay, all of you remember, and next class I will explain also numerical, okay, very important sum for ISC. ISC sums I will solve here, and all of you remember the formula. Okay, bye.